This is Carcoar station. Down there about 200 metres is the tunnel we've just walked out. As you can see, this is the old railway line. It's all been preserved. Sidings down here for different passengers, freight. Nice old buildings. I'll just come up and do a bit up here. I have to jump up the platform thing. It's well preserved. It would be nice if they actually had a steam train running along here to say Woodstock would be good. As you can see, old scales, chair, nice old building, looked after. Nice to have an 1880s locomotive running along here. As you can see, over there's the town. I think we'll come round and we'll find a better view of the town. But as you can see, the station's well preserved. I recommend do come and look at the town, stay the night. It's good looking, lots of history, and we'll just come down over to here. It's the first rainy day we've had. Every other day has been sort of mid-20s. Nice old building, front entrance there. Oh. And that's, as you can see, that's it up there, over to there, and I'll walk over to here. We'll do another video of walking up through the town. So this is a good overlay of the town, settled in it was established in 1838. One of the first towns south of the Blue Mountains. As I said, every building here. The stable down there is a convict built building. It's the sandy stone colour one. You have the birds.
All the cockatoos.
Yep, so nice place.